Today I'm going to show you how to use clear pore filler in the quickest, most effective way that you possibly can, and I'm going to do it with GluBoost Fill and Finish. This is an example of two open pore woods, a light one and a dark one, inlaid into one another. If you used a dark pore filler, you'd get dark lines in the light wood. If you used a light pore filler, you'd get light lines in the dark wood. So this is an ideal situation for using a clear pore filler. Let me show you how to do it. I'm going to start by laying down a line of fill and finish at one end of this board. Then I'm just going to take an old credit card and I'm going to use it like a squeegee to spread the pore filler evenly across the wood so that it fills the pores. Once you have it the way you like it, all you have to do is give it a quick spray with the accelerator and it'll cure in seconds. I like to let these sit for a while before I sand them, 15 minutes to a half an hour. So I'll take a different one that I've done earlier and sand it. After a quick sanding, you have plenty of options. You can move on to any finish you want because the pores are already filled, or you can even use GluBoost, the thinner version, as the finish itself. And the way you do that is you simply take a little bit of this GluBoost on a rag and polish it in. Once again, when it's smooth enough and you like it, you just kick it over with the activator. Here's one that I did a little bit earlier to show you what it looks like after it's dried. As you can see, the pores are completely filled in both the light and the dark wood.